Welcome to MES e-learning channel. Today we are going to see the BMS subject for second year, third semester, which is ITBM, or you can say in full form, Information Technology in Business Management. Now let me ask you the question. What is IT doing in business management? Guessing? Let me tell you. IT is nothing but the computers, resources, or you can say gadgets that you use day-to-day life. And from those gadgets, you are generating a revenue, you are generating your business, and that becomes ITBM. नहीं समझ में आया? फिर भी एक वापस बना समझ के लेते हैं. IT मतलब इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजीज. इसमें सारे कंप्यूटर्स, लैपटॉप्स, PCs, mobiles, all things comes. Okay, even your the phone that you use in day-to-day life, it has a camera. So if a photographer wants to use this phone, they can use it. They can use this phone to create images, to create movies, motion graphics, or you can say animation, and that can generate a revenue for that person. So that becomes IT for the business person. You can use your watch. This is a watch, a band. And this is created by one another company, and that company is using this gadget as an IT resource to generate a revenue, and they are creating such an app that will automatically track all these things, and based on your user activity, or you can say pedometer, they will create one, you can say, health plan that will help you to keep your health secure. So ऐसे बहुत जगह पे हम लोग यूज़ कर सकते हैं IT. अब इसमें बहुत सारे टाइप्स होते हैं एंड बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, नंबर 1, एन IT नेवर स्टार्ट्स विद डेटा. अगर डेटा नहीं है IT में तो कोई फ़ायदा नहीं. दूसरा, इंफॉर्मेशन. डेटा जब वेरीफाई होता है तो उसे हम कहते हैं इंफॉर्मेशन. ओके, समझ में आया? गुड.